Hey everyone! Did you know that most people who visit the Philippines miss out on some super cool places? Let's fix that. From the clear blue waters of Palawan to the amazing rice terraces of Banaue, the Philippines is full of surprises. Imagine chilling on the soft sandy beaches of Boracay, where the sunsets are like paintings. Or picture yourself snorkeling in Apo Island's coral reefs, with tons of colorful fish swimming all around. And guess what? There are these hills in Bohol called the Chocolate Hills. They actually turn brown in the summer, which looks pretty awesome. If you like adventure, try climbing Mount Mayon. The view from the top is incredible. Whether you like busy cities like Manila or surfing in Siargao, the Philippines has it all, so get your bags ready and let's explore these secret spots together.